These Dollar Tree solar lights are about to completely change how you think about outdoor lighting, because with just a few simple tweaks, that $1.25 item can look like something pulled straight from a high-end garden catalog. Imagine walking through your yard at night and seeing glowing pathways, dramatic trees and soft ambient light everywhere, without wiring, without tools, and without spending a fortune. If you've ever felt your garden looks great during the day, but disappears after sunset, this is about to fix that. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where smart ideas meet real-life budgets and creativity does the heavy lifting. Today we're diving into genius, practical, and honestly surprising ways to transform basic Dollar Tree solar lights into features that feel intentional, stylish, and custom-made. As you watch, ask yourself, where could better lighting completely change the mood of your space? Is it your walkway, your patio, your trees, or maybe that dark corner you've been ignoring? Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss new garden ideas every week, and tap the like button if you enjoy affordable projects that actually work. Also, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used solar lights before, or would this be your first time trying them? Let's get into it. Hack number 1, modern rain gutter pathway lighting. This first hack is all about turning ordinary walkways into something that feels clean, modern, and intentionally designed. Instead of the usual scattered solar stakes, this idea uses simple plastic rain gutters to create long, sleek channels of light. By cutting inexpensive rain gutter sections into even 12-inch pieces, you create a structured base that keeps each solar light aligned and visually connected. The lights sit neatly inside the gutter, protected from shifting soil, splashing water, and accidental kicks, which means they stay straight and consistent over time. During the day, the setup looks minimal and tidy, blending into the landscape without calling too much attention to itself. At night, this design completely transforms the space. The light spreads evenly along the gutter, creating a soft, continuous glow that guides the eye and makes paths feel wider and more inviting. Mounted along garden bed edges, fence lines, or walkways, this hack gives off the look of custom-installed landscape lighting that would normally cost hundreds of dollars. It's especially effective for people who want a modern aesthetic without clutter, and it works just as well in small yards as it does in larger gardens. Hack number 2, garden chandelier statement light. This hack turns simple solar lights into a dramatic centerpiece that instantly draws attention, even during the day. Start with a wire basket, tomato cage, or any lightweight metal frame you already have. By attaching multiple Dollar Tree solar lights evenly around the frame, you create a balanced structure that looks intentional rather than thrown together. The open design allows sunlight to fully charge the lights during the day, while keeping the shape airy and decorative. Hanging it from a sturdy tree branch, pergola, or shepherd's hook places the light right where people naturally gather or pass through. When evening comes, this piece truly shines. Instead of one harsh light source, the glow is soft and layered, creating depth and atmosphere in your garden. It adds elegance, without feeling formal, and charm without looking cluttered. This works beautifully over a patio table, near a seating area, or as a surprise focal point in a quiet corner of the yard. Hack number 3, illuminated house numbers. This hack takes something as simple as a Dollar Tree solar light and turns it into a functional piece of curb appeal that elevates the look of your home. Start by mounting a solar light directly behind custom house number cutouts on a waterproof backing board. Wood, PVC, or painted plastic all work beautifully. During the day, the numbers remain crisp and clean, blending naturally with your home's exterior. But when the sun goes down, the solar light illuminates the cutouts, making your address easy to see while adding a subtle, sophisticated glow. It's an effortless way to combine practicality and style in one small project. At night, the effect is striking yet understated. The soft, backlit numbers catch the eye without overwhelming the entrance, creating a modern, welcoming feel for guests or delivery drivers. By using inexpensive solar lights, you get the look of professional, high-end illumination at a fraction of the cost, and the project itself only takes a few minutes to assemble. It's a perfect example of how creativity and simplicity can transform everyday items into something impressive and useful. Hack number 4. Terracotta lighthouse pots. This idea transforms ordinary terracotta pots into charming garden lighthouses that glow at night. Start by stacking graduated pots upside down so the largest is at the bottom and the smallest at the top, creating a classic lighthouse shape. Paint them in bold stripes. Red and white or blue and white work beautifully, and seal them with a weatherproof coating to protect them from rain and sun. Once dry, place a Dollar Tree solar light at the very top, turning the stack into a glowing beacon that adds both height and interest to your garden. It's a simple, inexpensive way to bring a nautical touch to flower beds, patios, or walkways. At night, the effect is magical. The light shines softly from the top, illuminating the painted stripes and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. These lighthouses work especially well when grouped together in varying sizes or placed near paths to guide the way. They combine function with playful decorative charm, giving your outdoor space personality without requiring a big budget or complicated installation. It's a small project with a big visual payoff. Hack number 5. Bamboo tiki torch conversion. Bring the tropical vibe of tiki torches into your garden without worrying about fire or fuel by using bamboo poles and Dollar Tree solar lights. Start by hollowing out the tops of bamboo poles just enough to fit the solar light mechanism snugly. The light should sit flush at the top, so it looks like a traditional torch, but it's completely safe and maintenance-free. This simple setup lets you position multiple torches along pathways, patios, or garden beds, instantly creating a fun and festive atmosphere that's perfect for summer evenings or backyard gatherings. Once the sun goes down, the bamboo torches glow warmly, giving your outdoor space a relaxed, inviting ambiance. Unlike traditional torches, these solar versions won't tip over, spill fuel, or go out in the wind, making them ideal for families or high-traffic areas. They're also highly portable, so you can rearrange them seasonally or for special occasions. This hack proves that with a little creativity, inexpensive materials can be transformed into statement lighting that's both practical and visually striking. Hack number 6. Festive holiday displays. Dollar Tree solar lights aren't just for everyday garden use. They're perfect for creating seasonal decorations that light up your outdoor space year-round. Start by painting or decorating the lights to match different holidays, like pumpkins and autumn leaves for fall, snowmen or candy canes for winter, bright flowers for spring, or patriotic stars for summer. The lights themselves stay the same. It's the seasonal additions that give them personality and charm. You can easily swap out decorations as the seasons change, keeping your garden fresh and festive without spending a fortune. At night, these lights provide a warm, cheerful glow that complements your holiday decor, making pathways, patios, or front entrances feel inviting and magical. Because you're reusing the same solar lights for every season, this approach is both budget-friendly and sustainable. Even small spaces benefit, as a few well-placed lights can create a sense of celebration and whimsy that instantly lifts the mood of your garden. This hack shows that with a little creativity, inexpensive solar lights can be transformed into year-round focal points that delight both family and guests. Hack number 7. Outdoor wine bottle torches. Turn empty wine bottles into elegant garden lighting with just a few simple steps. Start by inserting a Dollar Tree solar light into the mouth of the bottle, so it sits securely at the top. Clear bottles give a soft, diffused glow, while colored glass adds drama and mood to your outdoor space. For a more decorative touch, wrap copper wire, twine, or small charms around the neck of the bottle, creating a custom, artisan look that feels far more expensive than it actually is. Line these bottle torches along pathways, cluster them near seating areas, or place them around patios to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. At night, the soft glow of the solar lights reflects off the glass, producing shimmering patterns and a cozy ambiance that transforms ordinary garden areas into magical spaces. Hack number 8. Hanging tin can lanterns. Give your garden a bohemian, artsy vibe with simple tin can lanterns, powered by Dollar Tree solar lights. Start by cleaning empty tin cans and punching decorative patterns into the sides using a nail, screwdriver, or small metal punch. The designs can be as simple or intricate as you like. Geometric shapes, stars, or floral patterns all work beautifully. Once your patterns are ready, place a solar light inside each can, and attach a wire handle for easy hanging. The cans become both functional and decorative, providing a soft glow that adds personality to any outdoor space. Hang these lanterns from tree branches, pergolas, fence hooks, or shepherd's hooks to create an inviting, layered lighting effect. When the sun sets, the patterned light casts beautiful shadows, giving your garden a warm and whimsical atmosphere that feels handcrafted. It's an inexpensive, low-maintenance way to add charm and ambiance, proving that even basic household items can become stunning garden decor with a little creativity. Hack number 9, pond or water feature accent. Add a magical touch to your pond or water feature by floating Dollar Tree solar lights. Start by attaching a small foam base to each light to keep it afloat and stable on the water. Seal the lights with a clear waterproof coating to protect them from splashes and moisture. Placing them among lily pads, rocks, or along the edges of a pond creates gentle reflections that ripple across the water's surface, giving your outdoor space a serene, enchanting feel. At night, these floating lights transform your pond into a glowing focal point. The reflections add movement and shimmer, making even a small water feature look dynamic and professionally designed. This hack is simple, low cost, and low maintenance, yet it dramatically enhances the atmosphere of any garden, patio, or backyard water feature. It's a perfect example of how a small, inexpensive item can create a big visual impact. Hack number 10. DIY rope light alternative. If you love the continuous glow of rope lights but hate the price, this hack is for you. Line multiple Dollar Tree solar lights inside clear or frosted PVC pipe, spacing them evenly along the length. The pipe acts as a diffuser, blending the points of light into a soft, steady line that mimics the effect of commercial rope lights. You can secure the pipe along pathways, garden beds, or driveway edges to create a polished, professional look without any complicated wiring. Not only does this method save money, but it's also highly customizable. You can cut the pipe to any length, bend it slightly to follow curves, or even paint it for added visual interest. The result is a glowing pathway that guides the eye and enhances the nighttime ambiance, giving your outdoor space a cohesive and stylish lighting effect. Hack number 11. Tree trunk uplighting. Transform ordinary trees into stunning nighttime features with this simple solar light trick. Place Dollar Tree solar lights around the base of your trees, and angle them upward so the light washes over the trunk and lower branches. Even small trees take on a dramatic presence, while larger trees gain depth and texture as shadows from the leaves and branches dance across the ground. This technique highlights the natural shapes in your landscape, adding dimension and visual interest without any complicated installation or professional equipment. At night, the soft uplighting creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. By using inexpensive solar lights in this way, you can achieve the look of high-end landscape lighting on a shoestring budget. The effect is elegant, professional, and completely transformative for any outdoor space. Hack number 12. Shepherd's hook upgrades. Take plain Dollar Tree solar lights and turn them into eye-catching garden statement pieces by upgrading shepherd's hooks. Start by spray painting the lights in colors that complement your outdoor space. Matte black, bronze, or bright metallics work well. You can also add small decorative accents, like beads, chains, or tiny hanging charms to give them personality and style. The hooks themselves don't need to be replaced. A fresh coat of paint and a few embellishments instantly elevate the look. Arrange the upgraded lights at varying heights along pathways, flower beds, or patios to create rhythm and visual interest. Grouping several together makes a simple display feel intentional and artful, while the soft glow from the solar lights at night highlights their design and adds ambiance. This hack proves that small cosmetic changes, paired with inexpensive lights, can turn ordinary garden elements into decorative focal points that feel custom-made and professionally styled. Hack number 13. Glowing rock garden. Give your rock garden a magical nighttime presence by nestling Dollar Tree solar lights between decorative rocks. During the day, the lights blend seamlessly with the stones, almost disappearing into the natural landscape. Once the sun sets, they cast a soft ambient glow that highlights the textures and shapes of the rocks, turning a simple dry creek bed or rock patch into a visually striking feature. This hack is perfect for areas where plants might struggle or maintenance is difficult, as the lights require no watering or trimming. You can mix different sizes and colors of rocks with the solar lights for added depth and interest, making each section of the garden unique. Over time, the glowing effect brings personality and charm to spaces that might otherwise feel plain, proving that even the simplest and most inexpensive lights can have a dramatic impact when thoughtfully positioned. Hack number 14. Stairway safety lights. Enhance both safety and style by installing Dollar Tree solar lights along outdoor stairs or deck edges. Mount the lights evenly along each step or railing, so they guide movement after dark, reducing the risk of trips or falls while adding a subtle, inviting glow. The lights are small and unobtrusive during the day but become highly functional at night, providing illumination exactly where it's needed without harsh glare or complicated wiring. This project is incredibly budget-friendly, allowing you to light an entire staircase for under $20. It's also quick and simple to install, making it an easy upgrade for anyone looking to improve visibility in their outdoor space. Beyond safety, the soft, evenly spaced lighting adds a polished, professional touch to your stairs or deck, creating a warm and welcoming environment for family, guests, or evening gatherings. Hack number 15. Dragonfly and butterfly garden art. Add whimsy and color to your garden with solar-powered dragonflies and butterflies. Start by using Dollar Tree solar lights as the body of each creature, then craft wings from plastic spoons, lightweight plastic or thin sheets of acrylic. Paint the wings in vibrant colors and patterns, and attach them securely to the light so that the solar mechanism still functions properly. Place these whimsical creatures among flowers, planters, or along pathways to create a magical, eye-catching display. At night, the lights illuminate the colorful wings, giving the impression of glowing butterflies and dragonflies hovering in your garden. This hack combines creativity with function, transforming simple solar lights into charming artistic features that bring personality and life to your outdoor space, while delighting both children and adults alike. And there you have it, 15 fresh and creative ways to light up your garden without spending a fortune. From modern pathway designs to whimsical glowing creatures, these Dollar Tree solar light hacks prove that with a little imagination, even the simplest, most affordable items can transform your outdoor space. Most of these projects cost just a few dollars each and can be completed in under an hour, giving you big visual impact with minimal effort and budget. Now it's your turn. Which hack are you excited to try first? Share your favorite in the comments below, because we love hearing your ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly projects, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. With just a few simple hacks, your garden can shine beautifully, night after night, without breaking the bank.